Today, kids, on Science Education, we are going to fix this microwave. Are you ready, kids? Igor!
What? What are we doing here?
Get out of here!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get out!
Okay.
Igor! Where's my tool at for fixing the microwave?
This one?
Really, Igor? Really? What am I gonna do with this? Am I gonna like, oh, the clamp!
Yeah.
The clamp will fix it!
Yeah.
Oh, let's put the clamp on there!
Yeah.
Look at this! Oh, it's the clamp! Oh, the clamp! Look, what, is that fixed?
Yeah.
It's not fixed!
Oh.
It's not! It's garbage!
Okay, sorry.
What's Amber doing in there?
Vibrator. It's electric.
Give me the tool I need!
Oh yeah.
Today would be nice, Igor!
This one?
Yes! Why did you have this?
I don't know.
Make it burn, Igor! Next week, here on whatever the show you want to call it is, we fix Igor's home. Igor, stop playing with your balls!
I'm sorry.